Well, in our demonstrations, we tried to think about progressively what can happen when erosion takes place and you're dealing with dirty water. The toe of slope application, whether it be silt fence or wattles, is kind of your first line of defense. If it gets past the toe of slope, it can go in the curb and gutter, it can get into the inlets, it can go into a stormwater inlet of some sort. And even if you have some controls in place, rarely can you remove all the sediment, especially not that real finest sediment of all, the stuff that creates turbidity. So our next demonstration introduced one of what have become quite a number of possible treatment trains for turbid water. In this case, it was metering in the turbid water with a special compound that's used for turbidity reduction into a piping system where it combined the two, and when it emerged from the piping system, the pipe fed into a sediment bag or a filter bag. It's a bag that's made out of some very fibrous material, kind of like felt, that allows the water to pass through very readily, but any sediments larger than a certain size can't flow out. Typically, a sediment bag would be your last point of control on the construction site. That would be perhaps right before allowing water to discharge from the site to an adjacent creek or an adjacent sewer system or something like that. So it'd be important to discharge quickly to the off-site body so that it doesn't have a chance to collect sediment again. If you can get that flocculation to take place with whatever chemical composition or additive that's put with the dirty water, what comes out of the sediment bag is wonderfully clean water.